Hello everyone. Earlier I made a video about how to balance a B25 and here's the finished product. I made a video earlier when I got done with this model, but like a dummy I deleted it, so thought I would put it back on YouTube. This is a B25H model, I think. I could be wrong, I forgot what it was. It has the 8 guns in the nose, the 50 cals in the nose, but as you can see, and we'll just pick her up here, and like I said, she is heavy. Put her back down. She just stands right up on her own. Because like I said, I don't like putting anything in the back here to hold it up. And you see that ladder is up off the ground. And she's standing up like she's supposed to. Like I said, when you put all that weight in the nose, just be careful when you handle her because it snaps that plastic landing gear off like crazy. The decals are from the movie Dumbo. Not Dumbo, I'm sorry. Dumbo is from the movie Catch-22 with Alan Arkin about the B-25 pilots in the Mediterranean. Like I said, this is not politically correct because that was a J model. This is a different model, but I like the decals and I like the movie, so I just thought I'd use them. Like I said, I'm not worried about being politically correct. I just build them to have fun. But there's the finished product, and it's not a bad little model kit. The weathering accident. Originally, I was going to paint this all silver and use different decals, but I've noticed with using AK Interactive Aluminum Plate, any blemish you have or any seam or any sanding, any scratch with a razor knife will come through like crazy. So after I had it painted, I looked at it, didn't like it, so I just shot some olive drab over it, you know, and see, I almost broke my landing gear. Shot olive drab over it, scratched it, and all of a sudden I'm like, oh, the silver's coming through the bottom. So we did a little sandpaper buffing on it, and that's how we came up with our weathering effects. Nothing spectacular to brag about, but just something different, I thought, that I've done before, and I thought I'd keep it. So, but here she is, a B25 148 scale by Monogram, and it's not a bad little model kit. Next, we're going to do this big boy, the PBY 5A Catalina by Monogram. Thing's got a wingspan like you wouldn't believe. I have no idea where I'm going to put it, but it's going to take me a while to get it done. So there she is, folks. I thank you for your patience and have a good day.